Unit 3. The sound O. This vowel is formed by keeping the jaw slightly open. The lips are 1/4 of an inch apart and push outward to make an open circle. The sound is short. As you make this sound, look in a mirror and compare the shape of your lips with those in the diagram on page 9. Repeat the examples.
Put, push, look, book,
could, would, woman, wolf.
Practice for mastery. Repeat the following sentences.
look in the cookbook for a good pudding. He would if he could. It should be good wool. The woman took a good look at the wolf.